supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Sunny side up, try to keep it cool. Bending all the rules, bending all the rules. It gets colder, but I hate being cool. I can't be cool to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. Bad. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave.
Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Thanks for being here with me today. Look at that iridescent green blue. I tell you, Pebeo colours are just absolutely amazing. That and the blue black is, they're just beautiful. And this is with the Nickel gold, which it's gorgeous. Look at that. And iridescent, sorry, not iridescent, interference red and interference gold. Look how green it is there and then blue it is there. Wow, so pretty. There's the stripes that I love as well. I love the stripes and the cells together. So the sparkles. More stripes. Yeah, I like. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. So thank you for being here with me today, and thank you so much for all the new subscribers. I am absolutely chuffed to bits to get to 7,000. I'm just amazed. Thank you all so much. So if you're new here, please subscribe if you haven't already, and please like and share away wherever you want to, and take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.